What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So, in order for you to make this transaction, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you get your address for your Trust Wallet. So in this case, go and open up the extension for Trust Wallet here, and basically log in into your account. Now, in here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and just choose the option or the crypto that you may want to start receiving here. Now, by the way, if you go to the very top, you should see the send and receive option as well. So let's go and choose the receive option. Now, from here, let's go ahead and proceed on the next page here. Let's go and click on the proceed anyway option. And from here, you just want to select your token that you want to basically receive. So by the way, let's click on receive, proceed anyway. And by the way, you could go and just search for it. So in this case, you could just type it in if it's available here. But in this case, what you need to do is just select it. Like for example, we want to maybe receive Ethereum. Let's go and select it. Now from here, this is your address. So you can go just copy it. And from here on, what we need to do next is we want to go and head over to Coinbase. Now, in your Coinbase account, what we need to do is you want to go and go to the bottom right here and just click on the send crypto option. And from here, just choose your Coinbase wallet. Now, in this case, Coinbase might ask you which cryptocurrency or crypto that you want to send here. So go and choose the appropriate one. So if you've chosen Ethereum, go ahead and just press or search for Ethereum and your wallet. But in this case, on the next page is what you'll be seeing. So in here, you can go and specify the amount that you want to send here. And also, just make sure that the cryptocurrency selected here is correct. And if you click or press on the select recipient option there, you should be able to see this UI here. So just paste the address that we copied before and select it. And once you've selected that, this is what you'll be seeing. Now, in this case, you should be able to see the amount, the address that we just entered before, and your cryptocurrency, and just click on preview send. Now, on the next page, what you need to do is just confirm a few things, like for example, the amount you're sending here, the wallet address, the network. So make sure the network matches here. So if you're using Ethereum network, make sure to use the Ethereum network as well in here. So review that and the network fees. So yeah. So in this case, just click on send now if you're sure, and you just need to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes for the transaction to complete. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.